Greetings traders, today let's trade Bitcoin. Well, I will have same approach I use for all markets because robust approaches are the ones that are working, and I use my moving average method. In other words, when prices are above moving average, I go long, when they are below, I go short. And trick is correctly look at market timing and watch for your risk management. So let's get right into it. Alright, our first trade. We are going to go short because prices are below the trend line. Very close, but we still managed to make some profit. Okay, time for another trade, and now we are going to go long because prices are just closed above the trend line. Alright, prices are above the trend line, so we will go long. Our third profitable trade in this trading session. Let's see what happens next. Now, our fourth trade. We will go long because prices are moving up and we are above the trend line. So let's not argue with the tape. Fourth profit now. So I think I will have another trade in this trading session. Okay, fifth trade. Now prices are still above the trend line and I will go with the simplest yet most effective way. Trade with the price movement and go long. And that's it. Fifth trade today and fifth profit in the row. So I made slightly more than $4,500 in this trading session. But what I did, I utilized strong price movement and moving averages. In other words, when prices were below the trend line and going lower, I added to my short positions and keep shorting. Then I made money. When prices turned around and went upwards move, I went long and continued my long trades because there was price action upwards. So we go with the trend, we go with the price action, and we have small time frequencies, so we have good timing and we are managing our risk. This is how we make money in all our markets, and I just show you one of examples on Bitcoin. So this is the example how you trade, and if you want to do it in this fashion, trade with pocket options because they have really good trade executions and access to all the markets. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned.